Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips to get rid of frizz. Wow, that rhymed. Poet and didn't even know it. Me and my hair, we've been having a lifelong battle with hair frizz, and this is no secret. If you watch a couple of my older videos, you know that my hair has been unmanageable. I even got a couple of comments saying, why couldn't you just take care of the frizz? The battle has been real, but I have figured out 5 ways because of that comment. No. Before we tackle frizz, we need to know what causes frizz. Dryness causes frizz. Healthy hair can be dry, unhealthy hair can be dry, especially if you have really fine, color-treated, bleached, chemically treated hair like myself. It is very prone to dryness. Also, curly hair and wavy hair is drier than straight hair, so unfortunately we girls with the curls, we are more susceptible to frizz. It's okay, it's normal, it's natural, but we will figure out how to tackle it. Are you ready? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but you love videos like this, guys, take a second to subscribe to my channel and you can keep watching videos like this. Now let's get started. Anti-frizz tip number 1 is to use a hair mask at least once a week. Do not confuse a hair mask with hair oiling. Hair oiling has to be basically on the root of your hair, and that is to promote hair growth. Hair mask has to be on the lengths of your hair, like from here down, and that is to strengthen your hair, to hydrate your hair, to make your hair shinier, smoother, softer, silkier. All of this is what a hair mask does. It's best to oil your hair once a week and mask your hair once a week as well. You can do it together or you can spread it out between different washes, all up to you. Now, when you apply your hair mask, leave it on at least for 20 minutes, half an hour or 1 hour, and then you wash it off like you would normally wash it off, like with shampoo, conditioner, the whole jazz. Now, if you want to take your hair masking to the next level, or if you have severely dried, damaged, dehydrated or frizzy hair, you can even toss out your conditioner and use your hair mask as a conditioner. You can leave it on for about 5 minutes while you wash up your body, scrub your body, do the rest of your bath routine, and then in the last step, wash it all off, and your hair is gonna be considerably smoother, softer and more manageable. You can use any hair mask of your choice, guys, but when you pick a hair mask, make sure that it does not contain any alcohol in it, because alcohol tends to dry out and suck out the moisture from your hair. Moving along to tip number 2. So now you've taken your shower, your hair is wet, and here comes a tip while drying your hair. Now, most of us use the fluffy turkey towel. I don't really know what the actual name of this towel is, but the fluffy towel that all of us use. And we rigorously rub it on our hair and do this and this. It's just so bad for your hair. You're basically waking up all of your frizz. You're basically irritating your hair strands and making it frizzy. So what you need to be doing is get one of those Indian towels, the white towel with like a red border or a blue border. I don't know if this is a Keralite thing, or I don't know if it's an Indian thing. Basically, get a cotton towel, or if you don't have a cotton towel, you can even use a cotton t-shirt. Maybe that is too old for you to wear anymore, or a fresh one. Why not? It's for your hair. You just need to pat dry. Don't do this. What I do is I gently rub off the excess moisture from my scalp, and then I part my hair in my hair part. I kind of comb my hair with my finger itself, and then I wrap my hair with the cotton Indian towel and then just knot it up in this direction, so that once I take off the towel, I do not have to flip my hair back and disturb the movement of the hair. That is when frizz can occur, because a lot of us, even I, used to flip all of my hair upside down and tie it up and put it up in a knot right over here. But then once you take it out, you have to rearrange your hair. The more you toss and play with your hair and fiddle with your hair, the more you are going to bring out the frizz. So minimal handling is gonna keep the frizz at bay. Tip number 3, use a hair serum. We use a serum as a treatment for our face, and why wouldn't we use the same for our hair? Now, I'm not asking you to apply your face serum on your hair. That really won't do much. You need to get yourself a hair serum that's going to protect and strengthen your hair while keeping the frizz at bay, and also add a little bit of softness and shine. And here, guys, I'm gonna recommend the Mamaearth Onion Hair Serum with onion and biotin. I have definitely tried a number of hair serums because frizz is my problem, and I haven't come across many that I like as much as this one. And as far as I can see, there is no alcohol in the ingredients list either, and the strong point is that it does not have any silicone, paraben Doesn't have any silicone and paraben. It's cruelty free and it contains the goodness of onion and biotin, which is amazing for hair health. I've spoken about both onion and biotin in many of my older hair videos, so I'm not gonna go into detail there. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Mamaearth, and I am so grateful for them for doing this, and they've also given me a 20% discount code for you guys. So if you shop at mamaearth.in, you can use the code Jovita2020 and avail a 20% discount. This product is also available on Nykaa and Amazon, so you can get it anywhere that you like to shop. So I like to use this while my hair is still wet, not dripping damp, but once I take my towel out, when it is slightly still wet, I like to really work this in, because when your hair is slightly damp, it can absorb the most amount of the serum and the goodness of the serum. And also, while applying the serum, guys, make sure that you're not rubbing it into your hair, because again, you're kind of irritating the flow of your hair. So what I like to do is get the serum in my palm, rub it between my palm, and then finger comb that downwards all the way along my hair length. And this way, all of my hair is going to be coated with the serum. The serum is going to do its job, and I'm also not irritating the flow of the hair shaft cuticle. I'm going to throw big words. I'm not a hair expert. I just know what works for me, and this really works, so just give it a try. Once your hair is dry, if you want a little bit more softness, a little bit more hair insurance, you can apply some more of the serum to your dry hair, which I love doing as well, because it instantly gives you that softness and smoothness, which I am not used to, especially when I'm in a humid climate like the one here in Kerala. I'm not used to having soft hair, the kind that I get with this serum. We all want that perfectly silky smooth hair, and if you still have a little bit of flyaways right around your part, a little bit on the tips, if you have colored hair, here is a quick and easy DIY hair gel that's actually good for your hair. All you need is a little dollop of aloe vera gel. You can use real or packaged aloe vera gel, and just 1 drop of coconut oil. Just 1 drop. Not that much. I'm trying to take the excess coconut oil out. Just 1 drop, guys. You add too much and your hair is gonna be greasy. Now you mix this up and gently just place it on your part wherever you have flyaways. Take it along your hair, give the ends a little bit of coating, and now you will have the softest, silkiest, anti-frizziest, shiniest, glossiest hair. Ta-da! And ta-da! I mean, just do this and let me know how this works for you, because I have the frizziest hair on the planet, guys. If this is gonna work for me, it's definitely gonna work for you, okay? I guarantee you. And finally, for tip number 5, when you go to bed, guys, we are causing a lot of frizz and static in our hair when we toss and turn around on our cotton as pillowcases, okay? What you need to do is get a silk scarf. Most of us have that. So you can neatly wrap that silk scarf around your head and then go to bed. This is going to protect your hair from breaking from the friction on your pillowcase, and it's also gonna protect your hair from causing all that frizz and friction on your hair, and you wake up in the morning and you're like, what just happened to why does it look like this? My hair used to look like a cloud, just like a poof when I wake up in the morning. Not anymore. Now, if you do not have a satin scarf or a silk scarf, you can even buy yourself a silk or satin bonnet. This is so easily available on Amazon. Make sure that the part that touches your hair inside is made of silk or satin, and this is also gonna protect your hair from all of that friction and frizz and all of that. Like, put all your hair inside and then go to sleep. That is it. Quick and easy 5 tips to anti-frizz your hair. Let me know how this works out for you. I am dying to know, because I swear, guys, if this works for me, it's gonna work for you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Definitely do not forget to give that cute little thumbs up button a smash, and I shall see you on my Instagram. I love you. Thank you for joining me today. Mwah.